A very good morning, my dear students. Today we'll be starting with modals. So, what are modals? Can you tell me? Modals are the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs that is used to communicate a message. A modal is the first word in a verb phrase. It supports the main verb. A modal is a helping verb. Okay? Student, you need to understand that there are certain important points which you have to consider, like modal auxiliary verbs do not have verb ki first form, second form, third form, or s or es form. Okay, they do not change with a change in the subject, tense, voice, or number. That means they remains same throughout the grammar. Okay, they do not change. Clear, students? Student, let us begin with can, cannot. See, student, can shows our ability, can shows offer, can shows request, can shows asking permission. See, can shows our ability of doing things. It shows a polite request, okay? And it shows asking permission also, and it shows offer also. So we'll be starting it further now. So example ability is he can write with both hands, or he can do this task all alone. Now asking permission. Can I borrow this book? Okay. Now request. Can you please talk softly? Or can you please bring me a glass of water? Now offer. Can I help you with the project? Or now in cannot. She cannot participate in race. Okay, student? So this ends the can or cannot. Now we'll study about could or could not. So student, let's understand could and could not. Could shows a formal request. It shows asking permission. It shows suggestion. It shows our past ability and it shows possibility also. So let us understand it one by one. Okay? So asking permission. Could I borrow your pen? It's a more formal thing. Could is more formal. Okay, can is friendly and could is formal. Now request. Could you please help me in my science project? Now suggestion. You could try another method. Okay? Now past ability. He could climb trees easily before. Now possibility. It could rain today. Could not. He could not work tirelessly for hours. Okay, student? Beta could is the past form of can. So it shows past ability, past possibility. Okay? Now we can see the picture in front of us. So you can see in the picture, can is showing ability, offer, possibility, request, and permission. And could is showing ability, suggestion, possibility, request, and permission. You can see here in permission, could I borrow your notebook? That is a more formal thing. And in permission, can I borrow your notebook? Okay, student. So I hope you understand the difference between can and could. Now let's move further with may and might. So let's begin. Student, we know that may is used to show possibility. Now let us understand what are the other uses of may. Okay, may shows request. For example, may I go to the principal's office? Okay, or may I help you? May shows offer. May I help you in lifting this heavy box? It shows permission also. May I take a bite of this cookie or may I come in inside? Okay, yeah, may I come in? Possibility. You may get to see some of your friends in your college or wish. May you be successful in whatever you do. Okay, so this ends the may. Now we'll study about might. See, student, might shows less possibility. Okay, like the might shows rare chances. Okay, it also shows possibility and probability in future. For example, in less possibility, example, he might pass the exam, but seeing his intelligence, I do not have much hope. Okay, so this is showing rare chances of passing exam. Now possibility, my cousins might come to stay with us. Okay, beta. So this shows chances in future years. Okay. Now we have picture in front of us. Students, see, now we have picture in front of us. Like may shows, may and might shows possibility. Giving permission only may shows. Asking for permission. Okay. Please read the note. May and may might can normally be interchanged without a significant difference in meaning. However, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening. So I have told you might shows rare chances. Okay. Begin with will or will not. Wouldn't you already know that will shows prediction or will shows an action of the future? But will also shows intention, will also shows request, and will also shows promise. So let's understand each one by one. Now intention. I will not go to grocery store today, or I will not do this task today. Request. Will you get me a glass of water? Prediction: it will be a cloudy day today. And in promise, I will call you back at the earliest. Let's begin with would. Wouldn't understand that would shows permission, would shows request, it also shows invitation and it shows checking preference. Now we'll study it one by one, okay? So permission, for example, would you mind if I open the window? Request, would you help me pack this bag? It also shows the invitation, for example, would you like to join us for a family get together? Or would you like to join us for a dinner? Now checking preferences, would not you like to order Chinese food? Okay student, let us understand the differences. Student, please understand you might be seeing that even can says request, even could use request, even may use request, even would use request, even will use request. Okay, so what is the difference between all these things? See student, can is a friendly request. Okay, for example, can I take your bike? Could is a formal request, as I told you. Could I talk to Mr. Singh? May is a request with respect. May is a request with respect. May I come in, sir? Okay. And will and would is a polite request. For example, would you help me? Or would you do this? Okay. Understood the difference between all these things? Okay, beta. Now you'll see a picture in front of you. Will and would. So understand, student, that will is used with future verb tenses to say something that is definitely going to happen, to state facts, and for making decisions at the time of speaking. For example, will you come with me to the store? The girls will go to school tomorrow. Now would. Would is the past tense of will, used to talk about the past and used for the future for things that are not certain. For example, she would not come with me to the store yesterday. I think the girls would help you. Will and would are both used to offer something or to make an offer. For example, will you call her yesterday? Will you call her today? Or would you call her today? So this is the end of part A of chapter modals. Okay?